Here are 3 upgrades you can do to your PC for around $100 right now. Number 1, storage. With modern AAA games getting bigger and bigger, it's harder than ever to have all your favorite games installed at one time. Luckily, you can get yourself a new SSD for around $100. Next, we have RAM. Chances are you probably have 16 or 32 gigs of RAM right now, which is more than enough for daily usage, but eventually you're gonna have to upgrade. Thankfully, RAM is one of the easiest upgrades you can do, and it's super affordable. Lastly, we have a CPU water cooler. As CPUs get more and more expensive, trust in stock coolers goes down. It's probably time to invest in a water cooler. Not only do they look cool, but they allow your CPU to run cool, which is even better. So if you're looking to upgrade your PC,